Okay, so just as promised, it's a quick explanation about the difference between a product and a test. So if we have a look in the main menu, we can see that we've got product data and we've got test data. Okay, so product data, you've got 300 practically of these, so 299, and each product has a number of steps. So I can choose up to 16 steps in each product. For the moment, I'm going to choose 5. Okay, so I've chosen 5 steps, and each step is a test. So if I only had one, then I would only have one test. And step 1 is test 1. You can see in the test data here. So if I come back out and I go to test data, you can see that test 1 is a vacuum test for minus 100 millibar. Okay, and then I've got other ones at minus 300, 500 millibar, 1 bar, and 2 bar. So each test contains the relevant information that you need. All of these are leak tests, but I could have a blockage test, I could have permanent fill, a ramp test, a dump test, coarse leak test, inputs for inputs and outputs of 24 volt. Long and short of it is, if I go to my product and I want to use all 5 tests, I've got to go to the number of steps and put in 5. And then for each of those, I need to put a delay if I want one between each step. I'll put one in, just 1 second. Then step 1 is my vacuum 100 millibar. I want it to continue on a result. Now, I can change that so that it only continues if it passes or if it fails or different types of conditions, or continue on the start. So now I've got to put in the other steps that I want. If I do nothing, they'll all be test 1. So step 2 will be test 2. Step 3 will be test 3. Step 4 will be 4. Step 5 will be 5. And so now I've put in the product that I wanted to test, and that is product 1. If I switch it to product 2, then it's not going to do what I want it to do. I want product 1 and I want to press start. You can see that it's filling. That's step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Okay, 2 lights have come on because they didn't all pass. So the series of tests that have been done as far as whether the product is acceptable is a fail. Hopefully this goes a little way to explain what we're up to. Thanks, bye.